Welcome, viewers. In this educational tutorial, we will learn how to configure HTTP custom with UDP settings to improve internet speed and enhance your browsing security. We assure you that this content is helpful to you. Let's get started. Step 1. Access FreeVPN website. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for FreeVPN via Google. Step 2. Navigate to Services. Once on the FreeVPN website, locate and tap on the three-line icon to access the navigation menu. Step 3. Select SSH Custom option. From the menu, choose Services and then select SSH Custom from the list of options. Step 4. Choose Server Location. Pick your desired server location and click on the Select Server option. Step 5. Verify server availability and create account. Ensure that the selected server is online. If it is, proceed to create your account by clicking on the Create Account button and scrolling down the page. Step 6. Provide user information. Enter your preferred username and password, as well as complete the reCAPTCHA verification process to proceed. Step 7. Log in to create an account. To create your account, log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to proceed with creating your account. Step 8. Account creation. After a few seconds, your account will be ready. You can choose to copy the account details or directly transfer them to the HTTP Custom app. Step 9. Install and launch HTTP Custom app. Download and install the HTTP Custom app from your device's App Store. Launch the app to proceed. Step 10. Access app home screen. Open the HTTP Custom app to access its home screen. Step 11. Set up SSH account. Follow the setup guidelines provided by the app while transferring the SSH account details. Carefully enter the IP address, port, username, and password as instructed on the screen. Step 12. Enable UDP Custom. Ensure that the UDP Custom box is checked or ticked. Step 13. Confirm settings and initiate connection. Double-check your settings for accuracy. Once verified, tap on the Start button to initiate the connection and experience improved internet speed and enhanced browsing security. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully configured HTTP Custom with UDP settings, resulting in improved internet speed and secure browsing. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable knowledge. In order to stay up to date and participate in discussions, please join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, which can be found in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for being part of our community. We wish you a seamless internet experience.